Welcome car lovers! If you're looking for the best car wash kit to keep your ride spotless and shining, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down the top kits that deliver pro-level results without breaking the bank. From shampoos and waxes to brushes and towels, we got you covered. Hit subscribe for more car care tips, and let's dive in to find out which kit is perfect for you. Number 1. Discover the stainless steel shower squeegee 10 with hooks, a versatile cleaning tool designed to keep your shower, windows, and other glass surfaces spotless and streak-free. This premium squeegee features a sleek stainless steel design, ensuring both durability and a modern aesthetic that complements any bathroom decor. The 10-inch blade is perfect for efficiently wiping down large surfaces, reducing cleaning time while delivering impressive results. Its high-quality rubber edge is engineered for a smooth glide, eliminating water spots and soap scum with ease. With a comfortable, ergonomic handle, this squeegee offers a firm grip for better control during use. Included with the squeegee are 2 handy hooks, allowing you to conveniently hang the tool in your shower or bathroom. These hooks are easy to install and help keep your squeegee within arm's reach, promoting regular cleaning habits. Built to last, the stainless steel construction resists rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term reliability. Despite its premium features, this squeegee is priced affordably, making it an excellent investment for maintaining a clean and fresh bathroom environment. Number 2. Experience superior cleaning with the Cqueegee Chenille Microfiber Wash Mitt 2-pack. Designed for professional-level car care, these mitts offer an unbeatable combination of softness, effectiveness, and durability. The Chenille microfiber material is ultra-absorbent, allowing it to hold plenty of water and soap for an efficient and thorough wash. Each mitt features thousands of plush microfiber strands, ensuring a gentle touch that won't scratch or damage your vehicle's paint. This makes them ideal for both delicate and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The elastic cuff ensures a secure fit on your hand, giving you better control as you wash your car, truck, or SUV. The Cqueegee Chenille microfiber wash mitts are not only effective but also built to last. They are machine washable, so you can reuse them time and time again without losing their softness or effectiveness. This 2-pack provides great value, offering an affordable solution for maintaining your vehicle's pristine appearance. With these mitts, you can easily remove dirt, grime, and contaminants without causing any harm to your vehicle's surface. Number 3. Transform your car washing experience with Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash 64Os, a premium automotive cleaning product designed to deliver outstanding results. This luxurious car wash solution combines a rich, foaming lather with advanced cleaning agents to gently yet effectively remove dirt, grime, and road contaminants without stripping wax or damaging your car's paint. The Gold Class formula features a unique blend of conditioners that leave your vehicle's finish looking glossy and smooth, enhancing its shine and color depth. This 64-ounce bottle offers ample product for multiple washes, providing excellent value for both car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash is designed with versatility in mind. It's suitable for use on all vehicle types, from cars and trucks to motorcycles and boats. The biodegradable formula is safe for the environment, making it an eco-friendly choice for car care. Durability and effectiveness are at the heart of this car wash. The thick foam clings to surfaces, allowing the cleaning agents to work their magic without requiring excessive scrubbing. This not only makes the washing process more efficient, but also minimizes the risk of scratching or swirl marks. Number 4. Introducing the Squeegee Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit 14-piece, the ultimate collection of high-quality car care products designed to keep your vehicle looking pristine. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a complete car wash, ensuring your car always looks its best. The kit features a range of premium products, including car wash shampoo, wheel cleaner, glass cleaner, interior cleaner, and more. It also includes essential tools like microfiber towels, wash mitts, and applicators. Each item is designed with effectiveness and durability in mind, allowing you to achieve professional-level results at home. The Squeegee Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit's Car Wash Shampoo creates a rich, foaming lather that effortlessly removes dirt and grime without harming your vehicle's paint or wax. The wheel cleaner tackles tough brake dust, while the glass cleaner leaves your windows streak-free. With the interior cleaner, you can maintain a fresh and spotless cabin. This 14-piece kit is ideal for both beginners and experienced car enthusiasts, offering a convenient all-in-one solution at a competitive price. The included tools are reusable and easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting performance. Number 5. Get ready for a top-notch car care experience with the Adams Arsenal Builder 21-item car wash kit. This comprehensive set is designed to meet all your car detailing needs, from washing and drying to polishing and protecting. With 21 high-quality products and accessories, you'll have everything you need to keep your car looking showroom-ready. The kit includes Adams' best-selling car wash shampoo, which creates a rich, sudsy lather to gently lift away dirt and grime without damaging your car's paint or wax. The premium microfiber wash mitt ensures a scratch-free wash, while the detailing towels are perfect for drying and buffing your vehicle to a streak-free shine. You'll also find specialized cleaners for wheels, tires, and glass, as well as a powerful wheel brush for deep cleaning. What sets this kit apart is its versatility. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned car enthusiast, the Adams Arsenal Builder Kit is designed for easy use and exceptional results. The durable tools and reusable towels ensure long-lasting performance, making this kit a great investment in your car care arsenal. Number 6. Achieve the ultimate shine with the Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit. Ultimate Shine. This comprehensive kit is designed to give you everything you need to maintain your vehicle's pristine appearance, from washing and waxing to interior detailing and tire care. It's the ideal solution for both car enthusiasts and professional detailers who want top-quality results. The kit includes Meguiar's top-of-the-line products, starting with their premium car wash shampoo that creates a rich foam to effortlessly lift dirt and grime without stripping your car's wax. The advanced wax included in the kit delivers a deep, glossy shine while providing long-lasting protection against the elements. The quick detailer spray is perfect for touch-ups, keeping your car looking its best between washes. In addition, the kit features a high-quality tire cleaner and dressing to restore your tire's rich black color and add a satin finish. The included interior cleaner is designed to remove dirt and stains from upholstery and trim without causing damage. The microfiber towels and applicators ensure smooth and even product application, preventing scratches and swirl marks. Durability is key, and Meguiar's products are crafted to last, providing reliable performance over time. At a competitive price, this complete car care kit offers excellent value for a comprehensive car detailing solution. Number 7. Experience premium car care with the Armor All Premier Car Care Kit, 8-piece. This all-in-one set is designed to keep your vehicle in top condition, providing everything you need for a thorough clean, both inside and out. With Armor All's trusted reputation for quality, you can count on this kit to deliver impressive results. The kit features Armor All's signature car wash soap, designed to create a rich lather that lifts dirt and grime without harming your car's paint. The included tire foam cleans and conditions tires, leaving them with a deep, glossy shine. You'll also get a wheel cleaner that tackles tough brake dust, restoring your rims to their original sparkle. Inside the kit, you'll find products designed to protect your vehicle's interior. The interior cleaner and protectant work on a variety of surfaces, from dashboards to door panels, leaving them clean and shielded from UV damage. The glass cleaner ensures streak-free windows for maximum visibility. To make your cleaning tasks even easier, the Armor All Premier Car Care Kit comes with microfiber cloths that are soft yet durable, allowing for scratch-free cleaning and detailing. At a competitive price, this 8-piece kit offers excellent value, making it a perfect choice for both car enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide to the best car wash kits helps keep your car looking its best. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips and product reviews. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment with your favorite car wash products, and we'll see you in the next video.